how to remove all header and footers on Microsoft Word at once. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's go over the quick and easy steps on how you can remove the headers and footers on Microsoft Word. Well, it's pretty simple. You want to simply open up your file on the Word that you would like to remove header and footer from, right? At the Word page, you'll find these options here. You can see File, Home, Insert, Layout, References, and such. You want to head into Insert option. Once you head into Insert here, you'll find Header, Footer, and Page Numbers. All you got to do is simply tap on Header and Footer option here. So here you can see this way. You can tap on it, and once you click on it, here you'll get this option here. You can see Remove Headers, Remove Footers. Simply click on it and it'll ask you, this will delete all headers including any existing page number. Click on Remove All and it'll get removed. Similarly, head into Insert again and you can do the same for footers as well. So this is how you can remove any headers or footers at once in Microsoft Word. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.